Sumatra breed is a native chicken of the island of Sumatra in Indonesia. In 1847, Sumatra chickens were imported to US and Europe for cockfighting and entertainment. But today, this breed is primarily kept for exhibition. Sumatra chickens have flying and jumping ability and can jump about 1.8 meters even with their wing feathers clipped. The Sumatra chicken is distinctive and beautiful with long flowing curves, abundant tail feathering, and a rich green sheen. They have a small bright red colored pecom and small earlobes of gypsy color. Their wattles are very small and almost non-existent. Their legs and toes are black and their skin color is yellow. Their feathers were mostly black with some red-breasted colorations. Roosters will fight with other Sumatra roosters, but they aren't particularly aggressive with roosters of other breeds. Hens are good mothers and lay about 100 white eggs per year. Sumatra chickens are a beautiful and unique breed of chicken that originated on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. These chickens are known for their long, flowing tails, black plumage, and gentle temperament. Sumatra chickens are also excellent layers, laying around 100 white eggs per year. But there are more to Sumatra chickens than meets the eye. Here are 5 secret things about Sumatra chickens that you may not know. Sumatra chickens are native to the dense rainforest of Sumatra, where they have evolved to be very good at hiding from predators. They have a natural camouflage that allows them to blend in with their surroundings. Sumatra chickens can also move very quietly, making it difficult to predators to spot them. Sumatra chickens are very social birds and love to be around other chickens. They are also very good with children and other pets. Sumatra chickens make great backyard pets for families with children. Sumatra chickens are very good foragers and love to free range. They will eat a variety of insects, seeds, and plants. Sumatra chickens are also very efficient at converting food into meat and eggs. Sumatra chickens are very good mothers and will become broody in late spring. They will sit on their eggs for 21 days until they hatch. Sumatra chickens are also very protective of their chicks and will stay with them until they are fully grown. Sumatra chickens are very hardy birds and can withstand a wide range of temperatures. They are also very resistant to diseases. Sumatra chickens are a great choice for people who live in areas with extreme weather conditions. If you are looking for a unique and beautiful breed of chicken to add to your backyard flock, Sumatra chickens are a great option. They are relatively easy to care for and are generally healthy. And with their many secret talents, Sumatra chickens are sure to bring you years of joy.